Warm welcome to the learners of Ayurveda, especially BA second phase and MD Ayurveda scholars learning the beautiful concepts of Ayurveda on the behalf of L.N.Ayurvedic online tutions. Today, in our episode, we are understanding the identification of Gokshura. How now you can see the Gokshura flowers. How many petals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this episode, Gokshura identification will come, you will understand very easily. Let us see now. This is Gokshura flower everywhere available. This plant you can see very easily. Gokshura Tribulus terrestris Jaigophyllaceae family. Division Spermatophyta. Subdivision Angiospermae. Class Dicotyledons. Two cotyledons will be there. Subclass Polypetalae. Petals are free. You can watch very clearly here how petals are free. Now it comes under the series Disciflorae, order Geraniales, family Jaigophyllaceae. How it is described in Ayurveda, we will see now. In a brief manner, we will see. In Bioma point of view, theory and practical point of view, maybe 2 marks or 5 marks, they will ask you. Write the main actions or pradhana karmas or what is the charakas vargikarana. According to charaka, it comes under Mutra Virajaneya, Shodhahara, Krumigna, Anuvasana. Gokshura is the most powerful antibiotic drug. See, what is the Krumigna? In modern science, they may say the antifungal, antiviral, whatnot, related to the some microorganism. But in Ayurveda, it is mentioned as the best Krumigna dravya. But very few people are using Krumigna. Krumigna means Vedangam. Vedangam Krumigna, people think that point only. But we in this modern era, again we have to give much importance to the Gokshura having Krumigna karma, main pradhana karma that is. Now let us say according to Susutta, it comes under Vidara Gandhadikana, Viratarvadikana, Lagu Panchamula, Kantaka Panchamula. Ashmari Vedana. Ashmari Vedana is to break the stones. Ashmari Vedana. Ashmari means what? Stones. To break the stones. Now, how it is described under classical science, you can see what is Ashmari Vedana. As it breaks the stones, it is called as Ashmari Vedana. Gokshura having thorns. I mean, what I mean to say, the fruits are armed with spines. You can see the fruit, how the fruit is armed with spines. Ichugandha. In 16th century, a beautiful character was observed by Mahaprakasha. What is that one in the sense? Icho Gandhaha, Gandho Asya. This plant emits the aroma of the sugar cane. See, practically, Darsana Sparsana Prasana Pancharana were applicable to the patient's condition. You are thinking, no, apart from that, it is also applicable in case of any material for identification. For example, you go to the Gokshura plant and observe the smell. Ichugandha is there or not, you are supposed to find out, is it not? Then Kantaphala having thorns, Swadamshtra having Kantakas, Kantaphala, Swadamshtra. Then Churaka, the fruit is armed with spines. The fruit is armed with spines. Churaka. In PG entrance examination, these names will be asked, these characters. One of the following is the character of Gokshura. They may ask like that. Very rare points only they will ask. Generally, with the word, whatever meaning which is exposed so easily cannot be asked. Remember this point. Okay. Charaka Vargikarana is most important in PG entrance examinations. Apart from that, in BAMS second phase, Viva also. Viva and theory also, it's very Viva, definitely they will ask you what are the how Charaka classified Gokshura means. You are supposed to tell the expression what I have given now. Now Gokantaka, the fruits with spines having or resemble the arms of the cow. Then Chanadrama, the leaf resembles the Bengal gram leaf. Trikantaka, fruits with 3 pairs of spines. Trikantaka, fruits with 3 pairs of spines. That is called Trikantaka. Trayaha Kantakaha Pale Asyaha. Trayaha Kantaka Pale Asya. Palankasha. What is Palankasha? See, Palam, Mamsam, Palam, Mamsam, Kasati, Hinasti, Kantakitwada. It is having the capacity to reduce the body weight in the body weight, and it is reduce the fatty contents in the body. Palankasha. Bhaksha Kantaka. Though the fruit, the fruit is armed with spines, it is edible. Though the fruit is with arms, it is edible. Gokshura, it creeps on the ground having thorns. Vanasranga. What is Vanasranga? Vane jatam sranga, Vane jataha, Srangataha, Akaraha. Fruits resemble the water chestnut. The fruit overall in shape, it resembles the water chestnut. Water chestnut. That is why it is given Vanasrangata. Swatamshtra having thorns. Then Shadanga. What is Shadanga? Let us see. It consists of the sixth part apart from the other useful parts. Now, Stala Srungataka resembles the chestnut fruit. Jate Srungataka Akaraka fruits resemble the water chestnut. Now, Swadu Kantaka, though it is having spines, though armored with spines, the fruit in the sense it is useful as an edible part. That is why it is called as the Swadu Kantaka. What is the Rasa Guna Vira Vipaka? It is having Madhura Rasa, Madhura Vipaka, Madhura Rasa, Madhura Vipaka, Shita Virya. Okay. So now we have identified classically how our acharyas mentioned its description. See, in BAMS second phase examinations, we are supposed to write these 4 points at least. Now I have told you 11 points. If very good, at least 4 to 5 points on examination, at least in Viva point of view, you can score more marks. Thank you for sparing your valuable time regarding identification of Gokshura. Of course, in modern point of view, a lot of information is there for identification. But classically, what is mentioned in our classical science also, we are supposed to understand what our acharyas express. Is it not? Thank you. I am Dr. Simha. This is sparing your valuable time for identification of Gokshura. Now you can see the Gokshura. I think many people can identify Gokshura. Is it not? You see how now you can see Gokshura. This is the stem and leaves. Very, very easily you can identify the Gokshura. Is it clear to you now? The moment you go to the garden, you can see the flower yellow in color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 petals will be there. 5 petals will be there. Now you can identify today, in today's class, by using our episode, you are able to understand or identify what is the Gokshura, how to identify Gokshura. Thank you.